Now, I could have gone to a commercial lender. I would have had to pay, the state would have had to pay bond attorneys. It would have taken a long time. And we're told that to use the commercial route would cost about 1.5% of interest at the nominal fee. And the other option is what has happened before. We could just wait until after June 1st when the law kicks in, and any taxpayer who doesn't have their refund by then gets 5% interest. And so again, to me, this is prudent cash flow management about how to get money that belongs to the taxpayer back to the taxpayer as quickly as possible. This moves the state's money and it stimulates the economy. I can see nothing but good things to come from this, and the key difference for me, and I would hope for you, is between this and Senate Bill 13, which I think has gotten mixed up in the language, is that Senate Bill 13 was an absolute taking of pots of money. The money wasn't going to be repaid. It was going to be used for next year's budget to start out with a fund richer than the fund that normally accrues. And the money that we are borrowing is simply that. It's borrowed money paid back to the existing funds with interest.